Well, today's a very exciting and fun day for animals here at the zoo. It's our annual Christmas tree donations. This is an item that the animals don't get to see very often, and we use it to hide food and other exciting toys in for them. And enrichment is a critical component of any captive animal program, not only for their psychological well-being, but for their welfare as well. It really helps us extend their feeding time versus just putting it down in front of them. Hopefully give them an experience that's more akin to what they would see in the wild.